Hey folks, this is Kevin Baxter for the Pathfinder School and Self-Reliance Outfitters, coming to you today with a quick tip video. Today we're going to make chickweed tea. Chickweed is a great anti-inflammatory, and the tea has cooling and moistening effects in your body. When you're harvesting your chickweed, young plants are always better. As the plants get older, they get a little more bitter and a little more woody. We're going to harvest about a full cup of this. And then we'll go prep it over the fire and show you how to do that. All right, we've harvested our herbs, chickweed in this case, like we said before. Now we're going to bring a couple of cups of water to a good rolling boil in our bush pot. And the next step after that will be steeping the herbs. While we're waiting for our water to boil, we're going to prep these herbs up a little bit. All we're going to do is kind of chop them up just a little bit. Really how fine you want to go on this. It's like surface area, just like when we're making a fire. More surface area means more extraction. But it depends on whether you want to strain these out later, how fine you want to go. All right, we've added our herbs to our cup, and we're boiling in just enough of our previously boiled water to cover the herb. And we're going to cover that and let it steep for 5 to 15 minutes, depending on how strong you want your tea to be. All right, and that's all there is to it. Chickweed tea is ready to go. You can either strain the herb out or leave the herb in. I look at it this way. If you leave it in, it's soup. All right, this has been Kevin Baxter for Pathfinder School and Self-Reliance Outfitters. If you want to watch more videos, you can check out my YouTube channel at Salty Dog Outdoors. Thanks for watching, and see y'all in the woods.